केंद्र सरकाराच्या ग्रामीण विकास मंत्रालयाच्या फुडारपणाखाला सरस ही कार्यावळ महिलांक खातीर आयोजित केल्या। महिलांक माची मेळपाक दर वर्सा सरस ह्या नावान हे प्रदर्शन सरकारी पावंड्यार जाता। आरडीएक्स वहादीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
The basic purpose of this Saras is to, wherever we are having our self-help group members, wherever we are having our artisans, whichever works they are doing or whichever activity they are undertaking for the purpose of the livelihood, provide them a kind of the platform for the exhibition, come marketing, come sale. This is a platform introduced by the Government of India long back, and since then this Saras have been organized in Goa. So such Saras are also organized in entire part of India. People shall visit this Saras for the period of 12 days and encourage all our Sorosgaris, so that the purpose behind this Saras organizing of exchanging the culture, exchanging the skill, exchanging the ideas will actually reach to every people. That is the whole idea behind this organizing of Saras.
The self-help group members who are participating from Goa as well as from other states will be given transportation. From Goa, they will be picked from their particular villages till the venue, and from outside Goa, the other states, they will be given transport as well as accommodation. They will be picked up from the railway station up till the venue or the accommodation where the accommodation will be provided to them. Besides this, we are trying to get self-help groups who are not participating in this particular Saras fair, so as to they come to the site, they come to the venue, and they come to know what Saras is, so that they get motivated to participate in the next Saras.